Alright, calculating common rafters. So, we had a video to find the span. And we got the span as 86 and 9/16 inches. And we said we're going to do a projection. So the part that sticks out past the wall, 8 inches. And we also need the pitch of the roof. So we'll calculate a, I want it to be pretty good steepness. So we'll go with 8/12 pitch. Alright, so with those three pieces of information we can calculate a common rafter. So remember, we used to be doing this triangle. So you got the wall plate, the wall, and do my diagram again. Okay, so we have our rafter sits on the wall plates. So we have our projection here to here. We have our span all the way across to the outside of the wall. And then our pitch up here. So for every 12 inches, we're going to go up 8 inches, which isn't really done correctly. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So we're going to focus in on this triangle right here. So remember, we're going to take half the span. So we're going to do 86 and 9/16. We're going to divide that by 2. With your calculator, if you've got your desktop calculator, I'm going to do 86 plus 9 divided by 16 equals, and that's going to give me 86.5625 is the decimal equivalent. And we're going to We're going to divide that by 2. Divided by 2. So we have 43.28125 inches. Alright, and that is this distance along the bottom. So 43 point, if we round to the nearest thousandths of an inch, will be accurate enough so that 2 won't affect the 1 at all. So 281 inches for our run, total run. To get our total rise, remember total rise, that's not our total run. You have to add in our 8 inches. So let's add 8 to that. And our total rise will be, might not even need a calculator, 51.281 inches. Which makes me think I might want to tweak it down a little bit so I can get 2 out of an 8-footer, but alright, we'll go with the numbers we have. So 51.281 inches is our total run. To get our total rise, remember we're going to multiply by the pitch. Times the pitch. So we're going to do 51.281 times 8 divided by 12. Go to the calculator. 51.281 0.281 times 8 divided by 12, and that's going to give us 34.187 through repeating. 30. $34.187 through repeating. 187.3. So that 3 isn't going to change it. So 43.187 inches is going to be our total rise. So come back up on the drawing, or I'm just going to draw it again. Oops, terrible drawing. So our total rise, 34.187 inches, and our total run, 51.281 inches. And now we're into a right triangle, sides of a right triangle. So we're into c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c being the common rafter length. So c squared equals a squared. Doesn't matter, you can do either one. Plus b squared. Calculator. 'cause we can do this all in one shot, so we'll do 34.187 squared, it's up here, plus 51.281 squared equals 30. 3,798.4919. So if I round that, or not rounding to the end. Nine, 8, 4, 9, 1, 9. There. An extra 3. Alright, so that's what c squared equals. And now we want to get c all by itself. So remember, the opposite of squaring is a square root. So the square root of a square gives us c, is what we want. And we're going to take the square root over here. 379,849,131,993. Alright, back on your calculator. I'll show you a trick. So instead of typing that number in, I guess we could do it here. Let's see if we can do it. So we're going to do second square, and it did it. Alright, sometimes you have to type it in again, and that's not fun. Alright, so second square did it. So c equals 61.6319. We'll round to the nearest thousand, so 61.632 inches. Alright, I'm confident you could find 61 inches on the tape measure. But where is this 0.632 going to fall? So we're going to take our 0.632 and we're going to multiply by 12 and convert to inches. So 0.632 times 12. Ugh. That's if we had feet. Let me go back. We're not going to multiply by 12. We already have inches, 61 inches. We need this to the nearest 16th of an inch. So let's multiply by 16 to see what it is to the nearest 16th of an inch. 0.632 times 16 equals 10.112. So we'll round that to 10/16, which reduces to 5/8 of an inch. Alright, so 61 and 5/8 of an inch would be the total rafter length. Alright, you should be able to do this for any numbers as long as you have the span, projection, and pitch. You should be able to calculate common rafter length. Thank you for watching.